स्वागत है आपका बी न्यूज नेशन में। मैं हूं आबिद हुसैन शेख। ड्रीम वर्ल्ड स्कूल के बच्चों का साइंस में उत्साह। साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी के इस आधुनिक दौर में बच्चों में वैज्ञानिक सोच को उजागर करने के उद्देश्य से बीजापुर के कस्तूरी कॉलोनी में स्थित ड्रीम वर्ल्ड इंग्लिश मीडियम हाई स्कूल में आज साइंस एग्जीबिशन का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें प्राइमरी और हाई स्कूल के छात्र छात्राओं ने भाग लेकर अपने वैज्ञानिक प्रतिभा का सबूत देते हुए मॉडल्स बनाकर सबका ध्यान आकर्षित करके टीचर्स और परिजन की वाहवाही लूटी।
Electrical boat or electrical ship are vessels that power with an electrical motor.
इसके यूजेस हैं, इससे ऑन होते हैं लाइट्स, फैन।
बोलो ना, वो कुछ मैं सिर्फ लेता हूँ बस।
We are from 8th standard. Today we are explaining about air and water pollution. Here we have made a water pollution model. The first question arises that what is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies as a result of human activities. An example for water pollution is the factories, chemicals and the houses waste goes into the clean water, which makes clean water dirty. Even the animals bathing makes the water dirty. By this the aquatic animals die.
Effects of water pollution are
Aliza.
Water pollution has assumed alarming proportions. It has emerged as one of the most serious environmental threats in India. Excessive use of soap, soda, bleaching powder and detergents at home or chemicals in the industries are responsible for water pollution. After the all efforts of government, only 10% of wastewater is treated and the other 90% flows into the ponds, rivers and oceans.
Being general nowadays, air pollution causes due to many situations, and the main cause of water pollution is human beings, and which is triggered in many ways. As you see, a dumping of industrial waste that causes the rise in temperature, and also the water is being polluted.
Also we are
Tehrin Kandgal. Doing about air pollution, and first we are showing that how the air is being polluted and what are its precautions. First, what is air pollution? Air pollution is nothing but the presence of toxic chemicals or compounds which are getting mixed to the air at levels that cause a health risk. In an even broader sense, air pollution means the presence of toxic chemicals or compounds which are usually not present and which cause detrimental changes to the quality of life. There are many types of pollution, as you see here, water pollution and air pollution. But air pollution is one of the dangerous problems that should be prevented. It should be prevented by planting more and more trees, as trees play a major role in decreasing of air pollution. 8th standard.
Who wants to explain?
As you can see the typical flower, this is known as hibiscus. And this is used in science also, and this is used in explain the reproduction of plants, and this is used in people also use much in this.
As you can see, a typical flower that is known as hibiscus flower. We have chosen this flower as to show the reproduction in the plant. This flower, you can see the stigma. The cell is passing through the pollen tube, through the ovary. The cell is known as female germ cell, and the present cells are male cells. With this we can generate a zygote formation, and the new production are generated. That both cells, male and female cells, convert together.
Today we are going to explain about human digestive system, how the food is digested in human bodies. As you can see the structure of digestive system, when we will eat the food, it enters from the mouth and it goes to stomach from esophagus, and there are structure that opens when food is getting entered. In stomach there are three types of juice.
That three type of juices are present. HCl, its function is to digest the food. Second, the pepsin, it will break down the proteins. Third, the mucus, it will helps in the breakdown of the means it will protect the inner lining of the stomach under the normal conditions. When the excess acid will be secreted in the stomach, that will lead to the acidity, due to which many of the people suffer.
तो आज बीजापुर के ड्रीम वर्ल्ड इंग्लिश मीडियम प्राइमरी हायर प्राइमरी स्कूल में साइंस एग्जीबिशन लगाया गया है इन बच्चों के लिए। बच्चों ने ख़ुद इस एग्जीबिशन को तैयार किया है और ख़ुद इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी कर रहे हैं, और इसमें इन स्कूल के असातिज़ाओं का बहुत योगदान रहा है, और यहाँ पर कई पेरेंट्स भी आकर इन बच्चों की सराहना करते हुए नज़र आ रहे हैं।
The bottom air will go upwards and top air will go downwards. As a result, water is coming from the pipe and it's look like fountain.
It's
Gulaf Shah.
afternoon, sir. This is the life cycle of butterfly. In the life cycle of butterfly, there are 4 stages. The first stage is eggs, the second stage is caterpillar, the third stage is pupa, and the fourth stage is adult butterfly. The first stage of butterfly, egg.
Solar power irrigation system. It works with the help of solar energy. The pump used to transfer water from the solar energy absorbed by the cell and is then converted into electric energy with the field of wave generator with the field of electric motor driving the pump.
Shows it in this the clothes will clean very easily.
Is a excretion system in our body. There are 2 pair of kidney. Left kidney is used for filter our blood, and the waste of this system will release from the ureter system. Thank you, sir.
The preparation done by all the students of the Dream World Primary and High School is good, alhamdulillah. They are explaining it well, and they are more active about their future, and it will help the students, inshallah. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all the participants. And as we are showing here two models, one photosynthesis and another one is light purification. Photosynthesis is a very important process done by plants to make their own food. Photosynthesis wants the sunlight atmosphere. It goes into the clouds and mixes them, which is acidic, and it comes to the earth in the form of acid rain, and it mixes into the soil, which doesn't enable plants to grow more plants. When it flows into the lakes, the aquatic animals present in the lake may die. So we should prevent it by growing more plants.
We have to prevent it by using less fossil fuels and build the industries far away from the cities so that they cannot bring the air pollution and use the biodegradable.
तो आज इस स्कूल में हमें देखने को मिला कि बच्चों ने एक से बढ़कर एक मॉडल बनाए हैं और बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रहे हैं, और इसको भी यहाँ पर पेरेंट्स भी बहुत दिलचस्पी लेकर यहाँ पर आए। इन्हीं से पेरेंट्स से बात करते हैं। तो कैसा लगा आपको?
हाँ, यह एग्जीबिशन बच्चों के लिए देखने बहुत अच्छा है, मगर ऐसा एग्जीबिशन है ये इतना क्वालिटी बोलने का देखे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा मुझे। ऐसा स्कूल मगर मैं भी अभी तक नहीं देखा, ये फर्स्ट टाइम बोल रहा हूँ। ऐसा स्कूल तो ऐसा बच्चों को इतना तैयार करेंगे तो ये मुझे बहुत खुश है। हाँ, थैंक यू।
Tanzila and I am from 7th standard. We are trying to show an heart how to the blood circulate. The blood is a fluid which flows in blood vessels. It trying to show here we can show the blood. When we take the oxygen, we can the blood is transfer everywhere. The heart will show that how to transfer the blood. When we pump the blood, when my heart will pump, it will circulate the body. It will circulate the blood from the body. It will show here. Here is a blue blood. It is in this present carbon dioxide. this is white blood cells, and in this present carbon dioxide. In this fresh oxygen, it is present oxygen. This is why this is because this is an red, because in this present oxygen. In this blue, because it is blue. In this present carbon dioxide.
Which class?
7th.
Good afternoon, myself Farin. I am from 7th standard. Our topic is
Myself Monsa. I am studying in 7th standard. There are different types of blood vessels in the body. We all know that during inhalation, a fresh supply of oxygen fills the lungs. The oxygen has to be
Myself Tanaz Jamkhandi, and I am in 10th standard.
Very good afternoon. I am Bhumika. I am studying in 10th standard.
So here we have done a human eye model representation. As you know, we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, tongue, ear and the skin. But the most important and the significant organ in our body is the eye. Because without eye, we cannot visualize anything, or we cannot see anything in the beauty that comprises in this earth. Will not have been visible to us. So I'm going to explain you what process takes place between when an object is placed in front of the eye and how it reaches till the brain and how the brain lets us know.
This is lemon juice and this is baking soda. This is normal water and this is filter water. If we dip into this, it can't change the color because this is acid. This pepper into this, it will change into red because it contains acid. Acid means which tastes sour. And this is baking soda. If we dip into this, it changes into blue. Blue color as it contains base. Base means which tastes sour.
the human brain. It's control the whole body. There are 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Cerebrum is the dome-shaped roof and the largest part of the brain. Cerebellum. It is commonly known as the little brain and is located under the cerebrum. Medulla. It is also known as the brain stem, which joined to
The brain is protected by the skull bone of the head. Afrin Midman.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Sonia. I want to show the solar system. How I made solar system? Why it is called solar system? Because the solar system is the sun and the planets are called solar system. The solar system is the gravitational force system that erect the all orbit into the other thing. The solar system is about 4.6 million years old. It formed the large molecular cloud, and I want to show that why does it will move round. Because of the gravitational force, it will move round, and it is the large molecule that get in the solar system.
Called as a nerve cell. It is also called as nerve cell, the cell that carries electrical impulses. Neurons are the basically functional and the structural unit of our nervous system. Every neuron is made up of a cell body, dendrites and an axon. Dendrites and axon are the nerve fibers. There are about 86 billion neurons in the human brain. We eat the food into simple forms जैसे कि टाइगर, चीता, डायनासोर। This is a drip irrigation. Here, drip irrigation is a control method that is used to supply water to the ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಧೂಳು ಕಸವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆಯುವ ಯಂತ್ರಗಳಿವೆ. ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಮೋಟರಿನ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಕಸವನ್ನು ಕೆಲಸ ಬಳಸುತ್ತದೆ.
Continue.
Afternoon, sir. Today our project is about domestic animals. So, domestic means to live and breed in a tame condition survival.
Good afternoon, sir. Today we are presenting about filtration. Filtration is the physical process of separating insoluble substances from liquid. Soluble impurities are those that are
We can reduce the flood and erosion. And today we are presenting I think maybe Indian also and this is gallbladder.
my project is that oxygen is present in air and it is very
Our school has arranged, today our school has arranged science exhibition, and I'm proud and honored to say that everybody has done very well. Also the parents are very happy for doing all these things. Many of them have said that according to the last year, this time our exhibition has done much of the thing very good. The most important thing is that last year we have just showed all the things, but this year most of our science exhibitions, our models are working models, and I'm proud almost all the children has done better, and also the parents responded to what we said them. It's very good. Thank you.
We are very thankful to BNews News who have covered our school the function of science exhibition. Once again we thank them all from our staff.
बीजापुर में 11 दुकानें व्यापार के लिए उपलब्ध। बीजापुर के मुख्य बाजार से सटे आजाद रोड पर संगम कॉम्प्लेक्स में व्यापारियों के लिए 11 दुकानें उपलब्ध हैं, जो 20 बाय 60 से लेकर 30 बाय 65 तक विशाल जगह वाली दुकानें आपके लिए तैयार हैं। ख्वाहिशमंद बिजनेसमैन इन दुकानों में अपना कारोबार शुरू करने इन नंबरों पर संपर्क करके दुकानों की अधिक जानकारी ले सकते हैं। ये गनी बेदरेकर, बीजापुर 9591136786। जावेद पटेल, पुणे 9881117190। तो आज ही संपर्क करके अपने मनपसंद बिजनेस की शुरुआत करें। संगम कॉम्प्लेक्स, आजाद रोड, बीजापुर। और खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए बी न्यूज नेशन।
बी न्यूज नेशन के लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ों को अपने मोबाइल में देखने के लिए यूट्यूब में बी न्यूज नेशन के चैनल के सब्सक्राइब आइकॉन को दबाएं और फिर बेल आइकॉन को दबाने पर आप लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ों को देख सकते हैं।